So, hey guys, welcome to the world of cubes. Today we're gonna solve this 5 by 5, 5 by 5, 2 by 2. Hmm. But- And also comment on the videos of what should I solve next. So, what happened over there? Okay, the scramble. Now, now it's time to solve. Today I'm gonna use the beginner method. Oh my god, wrong placement. In real life, I can solve this in like 20 seconds, I think. Yeah, 20 seconds, probably below. First layer done. Now second layer. Uh, e- the, no, you do it. You do that after the. That the right algorithm? No, it wasn't. Oh, this has to be the right algorithm. Y perm? I think it's a Y perm. Yeah, it's a Y perm. Uh, the, how do you do the Y perm again? Oh my. Um. No, you do it twice. Here's a J perm. No, J perm. Uh, uh, e- oh my, what am I doing? Wrong angle. What am I doing? Oh, oh, it's a J perm. Well, let me just do a T perm. It doesn't even matter. And got finished. Okay, bye guys. Okay, bye.